Did you hear the good news?
No, I haven't.
I got a promotion at my job.
Did you really?
Seriously, I am so excited.
Well, congratulations.
Thank you.
I'm so happy for you.
Really?
Yes, you really deserve this.
You think so?
Yes, good for you.
Have you heard my good news?
You haven't told me anything yet.
I got a promotion at work earlier this week.
Is that right?
It's the truth. I am really happy.
Congratulations on your promotion.
Thank you very much.
I am really excited for you.
Are you really?
I'm serious. You deserve this promotion.
Is that what you really think?
Yes, I do.
I haven't told you what happened yet, have I?
I haven't heard anything.
My boss offered me a promotion and I took it.
Are you serious?
Yes, I am really excited.
That's great. Congratulations.
I appreciate that.
You have no idea how happy I am for you.
For real?
I believe you were the best choice for that promotion. I really do.